Right, what am I saying? How do I do this, Jen? How do I do it? How do I do it? What did I say last time? What's this? Okay, we've had a little bit of a break, I understand. We had Christmas, everything slowed down, we kind of took a break from everything, but I'm back. And today we're gonna make some brownies. Right, I know this is really dumb, right? I've eaten so many brownies in my entire life, and I stopped eating them because they started giving me really bad heartburn. The last time I ate them properly, on a large scale, someone made me some mint. There's a minty chocolate bar that's really bubbly that I don't want to say just in case they try to sue me. You'll know what I'm on about anyway. It was one of those and it was the best brownie I've ever tried. So I decided today that we're not going to make that. We're going to do something completely different instead. So I've got all my ingredients laid out, as always. I like to weigh them before I start filming, it just saves me time. And this should be pretty simple. I say this every freaking time. But like I said, I've never made them before. So we're gonna have a go with this today and see how it goes. Right, let's start, let's begin. I need to microwave this first. So I'm gonna do that. A little bit at a time, I think is the rule here. In the microwave, that's too long. We'll give it 20 seconds to start with. I'll give it a little, ooh. I keep singing that bloody Steve Harrington song, that Chicago thing. I'm saying that's exactly what we needed. It said melted butter, so I'm just going to say that's it. Right, we've melted our butter. Okay, right, we're going to put this and the sugar into our mixer. I wasn't going to use it, but I thought, do you know what? We'll give it a go. So actually, let's take this bowl off. That might help me a little. Yeah. Pour the butter in. Oh, that was a lovely sound. That was beautiful. Oh, I love that.
Your own little sound bar.
I know, it's beautiful. That is, oh yeah, a baking sound bath. That's not a bad idea. Right, butter's in. I can move that. And it was sugar faux show. And I'm going to say vanilla, so I need a teaspoon of this vanilla extract as well. Where did I put my spoons? Here. Right, teaspoon, a tusp. There. We're nearly out. We need some more. I was well prepared, clearly. Oh, golden heavenly vanilla. Oh, just about there, I think. Could have done with a touch more, but it'll do. Right, in you go. In you go, vanilla. Okay, right, that's all in there, and we're gonna whisk this up for, I think it was about 30 seconds. So I'm gonna put it in our little machine, and we're gonna have a lot of fun doing it too. Down, yes. Look at me, I know what I'm doing. And on. All right, that'll do. Woo! Right, I need to measure out some cocoa powder, and I can't remember how much it is. Jen, will you do the honours and check the recipe for me, darling?
What are we needing?
The cocoa. Cocoa powder.
A third of a cup.
How many?
No, 3/4 of a cup.
How many grams? Did you say?
75.
75 grams. Okay, easy. Right, let's just chuck it in. Okay, 20, 30, 75 grams. Okay. Oh, there you go. These are the most expensive brownies in the world. Okay, cocoa powder is done, but first I need to crack these eggs into here one at a time. One at a time, or three if you can do all three at once, but we're gonna chuck all three in here. Do you know what else as well? I'm not even gonna check the recipe because it might not be 3 eggs, but we're just gonna go with it at this point. Makes it entertaining, doesn't it? Right, 1, 2, yeah, that's good, no shell. 3. Boom, right, back into the mixer. Chuck it on again. Go. Okay, we're good. Right, next thing, I'm gonna put this delicious, have you seen this chocolate? Right, so I've got a mix of dark chocolate, like, what on earth was that? I've got a mix of dark chocolate, which I smashed into the floor, and some... So I've got that mixed with milk chocolate chips. So I'm gonna put that in and mix it, and then, I don't know, should I put the cocoa? Yeah, I'm gonna put the cocoa in as well, I think. I'm gonna put the cocoa in now, and then we'll fold the flour in once this is all combined, because you're supposed to just sort of just about mix the flour in, apparently. I'm sure it's all gonna go terribly wrong. Oh dear, stop. There's a puff of cocoa coming out. Oh. We have these too, I forgot to mention. I decided to add these myself. This was my idea. I've gone for pumpkin seeds. I wanted to go for some nuts, but macadamias were about £4,000 per 100 grams. So, and I didn't really want like salted peanuts. So I decided to go for pumpkin seeds. Mix them in. Okay, mixed. Right, I'm gonna do exactly what the instructions told me to do, and I'm gonna fold in the flour as per, and we'll see how it goes. Oh, this needs a little bit more of a mix, I think. Let's get this into the bowl properly, and we'll give it one more little quick mix, and then we'll fold the flour in. It's just a little bit dark around the edges where some of the cocoa powder's settled. Right, okay, flour in. Sieve in, probably not necessary. Let's dump it in. Who knows? I'm just gonna fold it through like, you know, like a little fold and then a slice. And it says barely mix. I think this is gonna be freaking insane. It's not as runny as I thought it would be. I thought it'd be like more runny batter than this. That cocoa powder did a lot of moisture absorption probably. Okay, I would say this is done. It looks perfect to me. I think this is gonna be very successful, right? I have a silicone, probably not the best idea, but I don't have a metal one. So I have a silicone baking pan thing, and there it is. I have spray oil. So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to stick a piece of parchment paper to the bottom of it. Yeah, that looks about right. Let's get some scissors. Fantabulous. Right, okay, let's start scooping this in. Actually, we haven't preheated the oven. Right, while that's heating up, we will scoop this delicious looking mixture. I'm actually genuinely excited about this because I've put some proper big chunks of dark chocolate in here too. I might have to start selling this stuff at some point. might be a professional again. Chocolatey brown studge. I can't believe I've never made these. That was so easy.
Another concentrating tongue.
Right, I'm just going to spread this out because it's all in the middle somewhat. So I'm going to tamp it into the corners. I think this is going to be amazing. I'm so excited. Actually, I could really eat one of these today. I'm not normally a super sweet person in the morning when we're filming this. I'm more of a savoury kind of guy, you know, like a pasty. But these are really floating my boat this morning. I think I might have to have a cup of tea with one of these. Right, in, and we're going to put the timer on for
35 to 40.
Really, 35 to 40 minutes? I mean, Alexa, set a timer for 35 minutes, please.
35 minutes, starting now.
Thanks, Alexa. All right, we'll see you in 35 minutes. Alexa.
Stop.
Yeah, it is a little bit crusty around the edges. Probably overdid it slightly, but what's new? What is bloody new, eh? Right, here it is. Let's cut this up. How are we going to do this? Like half and then, yeah, we'll try it like that. I hope the middle's good. Yeah, it's fudgy in the middle. It's fudge. Yeah, film me. Yeah, it is.
What is it?
Yeah, it's fudgy in the middle. Maybe not ready to sell just yet. A bit more practice needed. But they do look good. I mean, that would be a sizable chunk, wouldn't it? So 8 of them from a square pan. But let's go on the side, err on the side of caution and dietary restrictions. Right, I really hope these are good. I've got my cup of tea ready. It's a little bit cold now, but let's get the beauty shots done and test these bad boys. Right, what are we going to do? Are we going to do an edge one, or are we going to go for the middle? Do you think? Middle. Right, let's get this one then. Let's have a look at this, because I honestly haven't seen. Oh, they look like brownies. Holy crap, they actually look like brownies. Look at the seeds. How fantastic is that? Right, I've got my tea. Let's wet my whip. My hands are covered in brownie, but...
Oh my god, it smells amazing.
Okay. Right, pumpkin seed brownie. That's what I'm going to call it. Let's go. Okay. I'll tell you what's hitting me. Dark chocolate, like, definitely gives it that hit. They're perfect, I think. I think apart from the edge, we've got a little burn around the very edges here, but the top, the bottom's fine, middle's fudgy. It tastes like a brownie. Like I said, I don't really eat brownies anymore. What do you think, Jen?
They're delicious.
They're delicious, apparently. Well, there you go. Pumpkin seed brownies.
Still warm.
Still warm. They are brownies. They're proper brownies.
Yeah. I like how shocked you are.
I know.
That you made something that actually seems like it's supposed to be what it is.
Every time we make something that comes out the way it's supposed to be, it blows my mind. Yeah, there you go. Recipes in the description. Give us a comment. Let me know what you think. And yeah, we'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe as well. If you want to support the channel, there's a link in the description to do so. But yeah, come back next time. We're going to smash it this year. Take it easy. See you soon. I wish I had a pasty beforehand, but yeah, I'm going to make a pasty one day.